Established in the year 2019, Techmagnus Automation and Robotics is a company of just 3 employees, but with a very powerful team. And here we are present at their booth at IMTEX 2023 with the founder, with the director, with the all-in-one Mr. Vivek Sharma. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So sir, how has been IMTEX for you since this is the first time that you are participating?
It has been very good. I've got many leads and I've got full orders of my machine, and it has been like very good coming to here.
That's really great. So Techmagnus is into the manufacturing of 3D printers and 3D CNC milling machines.
Yes.
So you're manufacturing all of these things in India 100%,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So with just 3 people, what kind of challenges did you face? Because right after 2019, the COVID hit and the whole world got shut down. So what kind of challenges your company and your people faced?
Actually, we participated in one plastic exhibition and we got some orders from there. But soon after the pandemic hit and we couldn't do any orders. So actually, we need to close everything for 2 years. And I restarted everything in the last year. And it was like a rebirth for my company, and from zero, like I have to start everything from zero. Investments and everything dried up, and I just thought to, like, everyone was facing this type of challenge. So we, with the grace of God, now we are here in IMTEX. Right.
That is really great and very inspiring. Starting from the scratch again, bringing up the business to this far that today they are here at the biggest show, IMTEX 2023, with just 3 people, and him alone handling the whole booth with all the visitors. We have seen how many people have come, how many people have been, he's been all packed up the whole day. So, sir, with just 3 people and starting from the scratch is a very huge thing. So, when you're getting all of these responses and orders, how does it make you feel? How overwhelmed are you?
So actually, I didn't expect that I will get such a good response, but it is really motivating. It will help me to improve my machines. The important thing is this, and my whole objective is to fulfill the needs of the people. The orders that I have got, I am more like I have to work really hard to satisfy their needs actually. So that is what I am thinking right now. So I complete the orders and fulfill the requirements of my customers and customers. That is my aim right now.
That is really great. So, since you have again started from the scratch, and this company will be going further, of course, and with this IMTEX you have got a huge big opportunity with the customers and with the leads. So what is your vision of your company in the coming years?
Actually, my aim is to create some CNC. What is happening? There are very high-end solutions, and no one is caring about SMEs people. There is no one who is like doing some special type of machines, designing special machines to meet the needs of SME people. Like I have people who need a specific machine like a pick and place robot. Just they need to pick up part from one place and they have to place it there to other place, and others I've seen they are charging like in lakhs, in multiple lakhs they are having a solution. So I have got some orders and inquiry from people to design a prototype for them. For such type of system, so I'm trying to be in their budget, something which is very cheap, economical, and able to fulfill their needs. So my whole aim is to cater as SME sector with type of automation that they are needing, like in pick and place, in engraving things. They are doing manual stuffs. So I want to automate those things for them. So we are designing machines and systems for them. So this all tasks can be done.
That is really inspiring, and we can say that Vivek Sharma These kinds of people are pure example and pure sample of saying how enthusiasm and passion can take someone to such great levels. After the COVID hit, everything, the whole world was shut down, but that didn't stop him to bringing up this company from the scratch again. So big applause to you, sir. This is a very huge achievement, and here at IMTEX, coming, taking orders and fulfilling the needs, keeping the customer always at the forefront, no matter what, no matter how hard you have to work. That is absolutely amazing. We need people of you. You are the backbone of Techmagnus, and Techmagnus is the backbone of our India's economy. So this is really great. It was really amazing interacting with you and getting to know about you and your company. We Machine Maker wish you all the very best for IMTEX and also for the future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.